Thank you.
Okay, I'll do first. Okay, so that everything
Yeah,
will be...
we love you, Rolly.
Okay, everything
You
will
do
be
first.
fine. Okay. Hi. This is my gift. Gio.
Ayos ka, ikaw pala yun.
Please return my can, okay?
Alright.
Okay,
Okay, next
Gio.
to me.
No, Gio, who...
Okay.
who you pick?
Okay, Sina.
Okay, my turn.
Cheers,
Ano
Gio.
kaya naman itong malas na to?
Cheers, love.
Laki nito.
Naalala
My
ko
gift
yun
is
dito.
for Cyril.
Oh!
Bye!
Lovely. My turn. Oh, Cyril.
Nasa gilid pa tayo.
Pare, nanginginig luha mo ah.
Okay, my
Oh my
gift
God.
is...
What's the meaning of that?
My gift is...
This umay.
For Gia.
Okay, next.
Kala mo
Hey,
ah.
what's that?
Gia.
I give Tomohan.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's cigars. That's cigarette, okay?
Okay, Mohan.
Mon.
No, it's okay. I'll bring later.
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
It's Jason.
Jason.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, Jason.
This is
I'm sure this is yours.
Yeah. This gift.
For Mark. What?
This is... Mark, pick up your gift.
Hey, my gift is here, no?
Oh my God, cash?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's not cash.
Wow,
This is for
nice
Sajana. Merry
Oh
Christmas.
my God, telephone card, huh?
Yeah.
Who's using the mobile?
This gift goes to Rolly.
You know.
Lovely,
Just
lovely, thank you.
Oh my God, you
I'm
got
touched, I'm touched.
Your thoughts?
Okay. Next is...
Rolly. And
Rolly again.
to whom is this?
Ay, can you hand it to me? This is for Miss Gia again.
Oh.
That's
Okay,
really
then.
remarkable, huh?
Alright.
Ay, wait, I have one more.
And
This
that's
is for Rolly again.
Yes, I'm keeping here my dollars.
Okay.
And start.
Ito, video mo to.
Okay, let's everything proceed. Pare, that's Adidas, huh?
Thank you.
It's already cold. Getting cold, huh?
Let's start. One. Let's go.
What's that?
Small and nice. Nice.
I saw
See?
it on the
You
road.
like it? See, you're not wearing any earrings, that's why.
Let's go. That's it.
Huh?
No, you have to sorry.
You know, it's better if you give Sajana pencil pen.
Beach
Hey,
towel.
open your
Okay.
gift first. Open your gift first. Mark, open your gift.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Oh, man.
Where's the roll?
Let's go.
Thank you.
Open it.